Hi guys, what's up? My name is Gianni Sanda. I'm an inventor and a business entrepreneur. I have a dream, and my dream is basically to establish a high-tech company producing low to high-end products which are new, competitive, and basically which will change the way in which we live. This is not the first time I've come on Indiegogo or basically come on other platforms of Indiegogo. I once came a few years ago with a product which was called the Unique Shoe. The Unique Shoe was a product whereby you basically, it had no body, the shoe had no body, so all you needed to do was just to step on the comfortable sole, and it had suction cups which would hold onto your leg, and you would move comfortably the whole day, feeling the aeration around your feet. You would then release by a mechanism which I designed whereby you just easily remove the sole. Guys, I want to establish a high-tech company, but at the moment I do not have financial resources. And as coming as I did last time to basically get funding and develop my high-tech company, I have come back to do exactly the same thing, but I am now using a different approach. Then when I came to introduce my product, that is the shoe product, I could not produce a prototype because I did not have the resources. So basically what I had was a first level design still on paper, but very practical. And now I've come to use a different approach, and the approach I'm now using is unique. I've decided to get funding from you guys, my backers and my funders, for the high-tech company by offering you as packs, other products which I have in my utility design portfolio. I currently have over 16 utility designs which are unique, which can be bankable, and which can make money, that I'm very sure and confident of. And I also currently hold 2 patents from Aripo. Aripo is basically localized for the SADC region. But you see, I'm saying now, to get funding for this high-tech company, I'm offering you guys products which I have designed, which are of course not yet patented. I decided not to patent them so that when you guys get them, you can patent them for yourselves as your own. These are bankable projects which you can make money out of. For the first time, I'm going to release my product which I call the rugby ball. The rugby ball is the one which I'm going to use basically to get funding for the high-tech company. It's just a beginning because high-tech companies are expensive and they require a lot of money to establish, you know, the types of machinery which you'll need, the personnel which you'll need to be able to develop different kinds of products which I can sell. Now, this product which I call the rugby ball is basically a fusion of 2 things which you know very well. It is a ball which has the ability to change shape from a soccer ball to a rugby ball, and from a rugby ball to a soccer ball. I thought about this concept some time back and I decided to work on it, but I finally got it through. It basically has 2 modes. The first mode is the electric mode, and the second mode is the mechanical mode. Now for the electric mode, it basically can change shape from a soccer ball to a rugby ball on its own. But when we come to the mechanical mode, it requires aid for it to change form in whichever direction you might think. Now, you can go and search for yourself if anyone has patented something like that, or if there's any product which is like the one which I'm speaking of. And think about it. Soccer is the world's most lovable game. It has a big following of over 1 billion people, if not 2. I don't know how the statistics stand now. And it is basically a money-making game. I know you can even research the salaries which are given to players. You can even research the revenues which these soccer clubs make. You can even research the revenue which FIFA itself makes out of the game. And think about rugby. Rugby is also very popular with millions of followers internationally. It's not as big as soccer, but its financial impact is also very big. Now think of it. If I'm going to take a product out of soccer and a product out of rugby and produce something completely